Fox had returned to the joyful animals of Farthing Wood, and with the help of his newfound mate Vixen, he was leading us as before. But we still relied on Toad to guide us. Water's cool and sweet.
I say, that old carp's got him.
Luckily, a heron came to Toad's rescue, Whistler by name. But even he could do nothing to save the baby rabbit, who ran into a pheasant shoot.
Oh, no.
Getting dark.
We'll move at first light.
White Deer Park was our only hope of safety.
If Toad's on course, we'll be there for winter.
Our own den.
Footprints in the snow when we go hunting.
No one to disturb us.
And in the spring, our cubs will be safe.
Safe. For always.
If we ever get there.
We will, won't we?
Of course we will, mateys. Not far to go now.
He who risks the lives of many on the word of one will soon learn that words cost little and accomplish nothing.
Looks like they've stopped ahead.
Thank goodness. I thought we'd never catch up.
Yeah, it's all very well them taking little rests along the way, but when do we have a break? I expect they think they've done us a favour, too. Now, there's nothing for it. We smaller animals must convene a meeting. The oath calls for all animals to protect one another, and that means we get rest, too. Here, here.
Thought you'd got lost.
Sorry to disappoint you.
If you're so slow, how slow is a slow worm?
They're just lizards without legs.
You're as proud as Toad.
Not possible. Fox and Vixen have made him feel so important, his head's swollen to the size of a puffball. Coming for a hunt?
Oh, at this time of day?
Please yourselves.
Now what?
There's a road ahead! A big road!
Oh, what?
What are we going to do now? Oh, I'm so worried.
What did I tell you?
Do you remember a road, Toady? Oh, dear. Let's see now. Yes, come to think of it, there was a sort of road.
Oh, no. Now he tells us.
Toadie's done a blunder.
But it was rough. Lots of stones. No traffic on it. Well, there were some big machines, but they were only digging.
Building. And we all know how quick humans are at that.
Oh, you mean now it's finished?
Yes.
So that's where they were taking all the quarry stone.
Oh, this is the last straw.
Oh, that walking. Oh, nothing.
How big is it, Toady? Wide. Come to think of it, there were two roads side by side. Two roads.
The traffic moves like two rivers, flowing in opposite directions. What does she mean?
It's what humans call a motorway. Is it very busy, Kestrel?
There are 6 lines of traffic, 3 going south, 3 going north, with a grassy bank between.
This is what comes of putting your trust in a toad.
I'm very sorry, but I didn't know what they were building, did I?
He didn't know because he's stupid.
Yes, quite right.
Is there no way round it?
Oh dear, I am sorry, Fox, but you see, White Deer Park is on the other side.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
correct, Weasel. When there is no way forward, the only way is back.
The hunt. We can't go back.
We could. Yes, we could. You're just being selfish.
How dare you? After all Fox has done for us. Why, he could have stayed with Vixen and left us to our fate, but he came back, didn't he? And why? Because we animals stick together.
Hooray! Kestrel, can you see them? They're coming this way. I think they're on your scent.
We've no choice.
To the road. Can we vote on it, please?
No time.
Sometimes fear of one evil overcomes the fear of another.
In other words, let's start her.
And I'll second bowl if I get the chance.
What's the rush? Lucky I'm thick-skinned, isn't it?
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Get a move on.
What is it, Kestrel?
The hunt is getting nearer.
It's all right. We're nearly there.
We'll be caught between two evils.
Excuse me for interrupting, but I just thought you'd like to know I've flown over that road, but I never saw the hunt on the other side of it. Never.
Thank you, Whistler.
What's happening? I can't see.
They're turning back.
I thought they might.
Don't want the hounds near the road, eh, Fox?
That's about it.
Very good. They turned back. Hooray!
Oh, thank goodness.
Now, take a look.
Don't do that, dear. Please, don't do that.
But I'm frightened.
Yeah, I know, but it won't help.
What are we going to do now?
Could we tunnel under it, do you think?
Oh, it would take years, Bowley.
See? Think only of themselves. How are we supposed to cross a road like that?
We can't trust the larger animals.
The only time you smaller animals have got into trouble is when you've left the group.
He's right there.
It's all right for him. He won't have any trouble getting across the road, will he?
Weasel's right.
Can I have your attention, everyone?
No one said this journey to White Deer Park would be easy. But we've come through it together so far.
Yeah, we haven't got all night.
And we're going to come through this.
And how do you propose to achieve such a laudable aim?
Why, Al? Have you any ideas?
Well, I'd have to think first.
Oh, no. Haven't got all day.
She hasn't got an idea in her head.
When have I ever let you down?
Or Fox?
First, we look at the problem nice and calmly, right?
The nearest cars aren't moving at all.
So we could get as far as the grass in the middle without too much trouble.
Couldn't we just wait till it's dark?
Don't be silly. You know what you're like with car headlights.
If I may be so bold, this isn't a country road. Oh, no, it's never quiet. It was the same with the quarry, you see. They worked at destroying the land day and night without stopping until they had exhausted it. Excuse me for mentioning it.
Not at all, Whistler.
Well, I agree with Fox. I think we should get as far as the grass in the middle while we have the chance.
One step at a time.
Some of us have bigger steps than others. And some of us have no steps at all.
They've stopped. There are no cars moving on this side.
Come on, while we have the chance.
Don't let your instinct get the better of you.
No need to shout. I'm not deaf.
Well, here goes. Are you all ready? Come on!
No need to panic. Just watch out for sudden movements, that's all.
That was a close one, matey.
I'll come with you. Now!
I'll show you how.
Look, it's all red. Ah! Ooh.
Just look where you're going. Look at Fox. Make for him.
Oh, stupid weasel.